For weeks, I've been uploading videos to my travel channel when I just started out, and I wasn't getting much views. But once I made a simple strategy change, I was able to reach my first 1,000 subscribers within 21 days, and I hit 15,000 subscribers just 3 months later. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly what that change was and how you can use it as well to start seeing real growth and real results on your own channel once and for all. Because guess what? If you're sitting there uploading consistently like I was and wondering why nothing is moving, this might just be the same thing that shifts everything for you. So here's what's actually going on when you're a small channel. You are essentially showing up to a competition where everybody else has a head start and you don't. When someone is browsing through YouTube, they're seeing your videos sitting right next to videos that have hundreds of thousands of views. And whether we like it or not, people make snap judgments and decisions. They see a video with tons of views and they assume that it must be better than yours, more polished, more trustworthy, and more worth their time. And so most of the time they scroll right past your video and click on the one that has more views. I wish that wasn't the case, but it is. And pretending otherwise isn't going to help you grow. So you have to face the reality and find the solutions. And this is the part that changed everything for me. There is a way to completely sidestep that problem altogether. And I've used this on my own channel, seen it work for countless other creators as well, and watch people go from zero traction to blowing up with one single video because of this one shift. But before I get into that, you need to understand something really important first. Not every viewer on YouTube behaves the same way. That's just the reality. There are essentially two types of people watching content on this platform. The first group will only ever really watch the big channels. That's just how it is. The ones with the high view counts, recognizable names, and established creators. Just like people watch movies, according to the actors. They're just not interested in anything that doesn't already have some social proof behind it. And honestly, no amount of optimization is going to make them click on your video when it only has 43 views. That's just not your audience right now, and that is okay. But the second group, these are the people who will absolutely click on a video with low views if there's something compelling enough pulling them in. I'm personally in this group. Yeah, I am. I will happily watch a video with 27 views if the title or thumbnail genuinely grabs my attention. The viewers in this second group are curious, and they're looking for something real and specific. And some of them are looking for solutions, and they don't need a massive view count to validate whether something is worth watching or not. These are the people we need to be targeting, especially in the beginning when you first start your channel. So how do we get in front of that second group? Specifically, that's where this framework comes in. I call it the how I effect. And here's what I mean by that. What I noticed time after time is that when small creators suddenly blow up, it's almost always with a video that starts with how I, followed by something interesting, impressive, or unique that they personally did or experienced. Not a general tips video, not a best of or a roundup, but a specific personal story. That's the key phrase, personal story. And let me show you just how well this actually works in practice. There's a creator named Tammy who runs a channel called Uncomfy. She had been posting for a while without much to show for it. And then she put up one video with this kind of title, and it got millions of views. She now has 500,000 subscribers. Another creator named Raymond, he got incredible results on a brand new channel using the exact same approach. And on my own channel, when it was still really small, I posted a video using this framework and it climbed to 150,000 views. So this isn't just theory that I'm talking about. This really works. Now, why does it work so well? is because the moment you put "how I" in a title, you are immediately separating yourself from every big channel in your niche. People scroll past the list of videos. They see your video title, and even if you have barely any views, something clicks in their brain. They think, okay, this is a personal story. This person actually did something and they're going to tell me about it. That's not something that they're going to find from some massive polished channel that's been around for 10 years. It feels different. It feels real, authentic. And that curiosity is enough to get them to click on your video. Now, what you're doing with this framework is leaning into being new instead of trying to hide it. It's okay to be just a new subscriber, a new creator. Instead of competing with the big creators on their terms, you're offering something they genuinely cannot offer. And that's your specific, personal, unfiltered experience. And people connect with that. They see themselves in you. They can sometimes relate. They think this creator is figuring it out just like I am. And I want to see what they found. That's a powerful thing. And by the way, before we get into exactly how to apply this to your specific channel, I put together a completely free 10-step guide that helps you figure out why your videos aren't getting views right now and what to do about it. I'll drop the link below in the description to make sure that you grab it. Please make sure. Okay, so let's talk about how to actually put this into practice, because you can't just slap on "how I" on your title on any random video and expect it to take off. No, it doesn't work that way. There's a little more intention involved. Step one is identifying something your audience would genuinely be curious about. Think about whether you have a personal transformation, for example, that you want to share, a relatable struggle that you worked through and got results, or a result you achieved that someone else in your niche would want to know about and how to replicate it. The more specific, authentic, and real it is, the better it is for you and that video. Step two is crafting a title that is either story-driven or solution-oriented. Something like "how I achieved X results in this amount of time" is a solid structure to work from. And your title doesn't have to start with "how I" every single time. Another video of mine that blew up was framed slightly different, but it carried the exact same idea. It was still promising a personal, relatable story with a real outcome attached to it. The "how I" structure is just really a useful starting point when you're not sure where to begin. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. And step three is what you actually do inside the video itself. Lean into your newcomer status. Don't try to perform like you're a seasoned expert with 10 years of experience. If you're not, it's okay to make mistakes like I do. Acknowledge that you're figuring things out. Acknowledge that you're a small creator sharing what worked for you so far. That authenticity is exactly what makes people trust you and keep watching your videos. The big channels can't give people that, but you can. If you want to go deeper on getting more views on your channel, go ahead and check out the free ebook that I just mentioned. The link is going to be in the description. Everything you need is right there in that ebook. And if you're interested in knowing how to get more views on your channel, then check out the video appearing on the screen above and watch it next. So yeah, click onto that video and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching. All right? And good luck with your channel. Don't give up on yourself. Keep pursuing and keep focused.